let's head out and put this whole package to a real world test. Beautiful bucket loads of torque, utilising the full available ARMAX power. It's the drivability that I really like. I mean, listen to the thing haul, it's just great. Yet again, Safari 4x4 engineering has delivered. The Safari ARMAX High Performance Turbocharger. A beautiful piece of robust Aussie design and manufactured engineering excellence. Built to reliably reclaim lost performance. But this thing's real potential is unleashed as part of a complete package. And that for me is why Safari stand head and shoulders above anything else out there. But the real kicker here is the direct control of that turbo by Safari's ARMAX ECU with the new Direct Torque function. It doesn't replace your factory ECU, it works harmoniously with it. And right from the dash, it gives you a range of 5 different maps for different driving modes, as well as utilising the ECU's engine protection capability for your peace of mind. It's why Safari can offer such a comprehensive warranty program. So let's head out and put this whole package to a real world test. Eastern side of Mt Tamborine, Queensland. Many of you will be familiar with this couple of Ks of high gradient ascent. This 79 series, loaded with kit, 3.5 tonne, pulling another 3 tonne of 22-foot long caravan. Okay, we've obviously got the turbo in there, but we'll put it on map 5, which largely replicates the OEM standard map. Now, from a standing start, this comfortably hauls itself up the hill at 100% throttle in first gear, about 40 k's an hour. Working pretty hard, but does it okay. So now let's go to map 3, towing, utilising the full available ARMAX power and that direct torque feature with its control over the turbocharger. Now we're in second gear at 100% throttle and we could maintain the speed limit. That is a significant improvement. And even unhooked, feel it, hear it. 3.5 tonne this thing still is. Off the bottom, beautiful bucket loads of torque, and the fact that that ECU has got direct control of the turbo, it's the drivability that I really like. It actually makes it a pleasure to drive. I mean, listen to the thing haul, it's just great.